I've been writing songs for TV shows. The money never lasts and the feeling goes away. I can hear a weird small silent voice that says I'll never cut through all the noise. And yet I think I'm starting to believe it. What if all the things I want weren't meant for me? Maybe a more pretty life's not meant to be. What if I never make it? What if I never make a name for myself? Was it ever even worth trying? Is there somewhere even worth finding? What if I never make it? The show is ending and the lights are going down, but there's no one in the crowd tonight, so I'll keep singing for myself, alright. Yeah. I guess I could find another job that pays a hell of a lot better than these stupid songs. Yeah, sometimes I hate them. Maybe I would fit in with my friends. We could talk about our stocks and dividends, yeah, or whatever you call them. What if all the things I want weren't meant for me? When I'm finally gone, will anyone remember me? What if I never make it? What if I never make a name for myself? Was it ever even worth trying? Is there somewhere even worth finding? What if I never make it? The show is ending and the lights are going down, but there's no one in the crowd tonight, so I'll keep singing for myself, alright. I know that I have said this a million times before, but maybe my mistake is thinking that I need more. What if I never make a name for myself? Is it worth trying? I hope it's worth trying. What if I never make it? The show is ending and the